Chef Patty Jinch from the PBS television series Patty's Mexican Table is partnering with Avocados from Mexico to share delicious avocado recipes. Thanks for being here.
Hi, thanks for having me. Patty Jinch here. And I wanted to give you some ideas for how to make your holidays even more special. So people usually don't think about avocados for the end of the year or the holidays, but I always have a bowl of Avocados from Mexico brand avocados because they make everything that I incorporate them into feel even more delicious and special. They're healthy, they're delicious, and they're always in season. I have some recipes here just to give you some ideas. I have a puff pastry that I stuff with melted cheese and chorizo or sausage. You can dip it in guacamole. I have a Christmas salad or ensalada de Navidad that have the slices of the ripe, creamy avocado. And then I also have some coconut lime cookies dipped in chocolate because you can also add avocado to your dessert to give that creamy texture and taste that you want. And even in eggnog, I have a coconut eggnog spiced with cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and vanilla. You can make it ahead of time, have it in the fridge for whenever you want to use it. Be sure to log on to avocadosfrommexico.com where you will find hundreds and hundreds of recipes of how to make your holidays even more special.